So at this point in time, when you type HTTP, it's a protocol name 127.0 oops okay 0.0.1, which is localhost. You should now you should see a default website IIS7. Okay, now let's just change this default website. Okay, to do that we first go to IIS manager, but not 6.0. So when you go to start and admin tool and IIS manager, okay, by the way, this is computer name, local host name WinW, and so this is basically host name. So expand this host name and expand sites. Okay, then you see a default website. So in default website, look at the content view. So look at the content view, just click this content view, and you saw this default website, this default web page, this HTTP document, which displays this default website. Okay, now next step is go to the following directory and to see if we can find iis.htm, right, which is this file, HTML document. So go to start, computer, and local disk, inetpub, and www root. See, there's a this default HTML file document. Okay, and to see the default HTML documents in order of priority, we'll go to default website and select default document. So under the feature view, so let me just hide this first. Okay, then go to default site and go to feature view. At the bottom you have a features view and content view, but click the features view, scroll down and you see a default document and double click. Yes, it shows default files, default HTML document in order of priority. So index, for example, this index HTML has a higher priority than ISS.htm. Okay, so we're going to create index HTML using a notepad. So we're going to create a notepad, and so we're going to create index HTML, and then we're going to type, so basically we're going to type this. This is the written in HTML language. Okay, HTML. So HTML is a tag language. So first you open a tag called HTML, right? Once you open it, you have to close it. Slash HTML, and this is heading H1. Welcome to my home page. Once you open it, you have to also close it. So H1 when you save it, you have to save in a default HTML directory. So first, file name has, this is very important, index, we have to follow the rule htm, and then save all files. We don't want to save it as a text, right? And then go to computer, go to C, and inet pub the first directory, and go to www root. This is a default directory, and then we're going to save this. Okay, and then to test from Windows 2008, you have to type this. By the way, this 127.0.0.1 is a local host, so let's just do that for the simplicity. This is not Explorer. Okay, so let's just click this refresh button. So let's just refresh this browser. Yes, we'll see welcome to my home page. So we know that index.htm has a higher precedence or higher priority than what than ISS start.htm. Okay, so let me just stop recording. So I'll just